All right, good to see you guys again. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with part 2 of why crypto is, in fact, the best game in town. And if you've already seen the first video, as you know, we've been going through the top 10 and doing some analysis because we want to know right now, when you look at the stock market and you hear all these people talking about how much money they've made and they start talking about these percentages, 10%, 20%, and some of them are talking about, you know, pick the one that's 35%. Hey, you don't know which one's going to do all that. But we can just look at the top 10 cryptos right now, maybe the top 12, minus the stable coins, and we can see a trend that is just unbelievable. So we left off, I think we stopped with XRP, and we're going to go ahead and continue down our list. After XRP, we're going to take a look at the mighty Doge. Let's go ahead and take a look at Doge, and let's get right to it. Let's click on the 1-year trend. We're on CoinMarketCap, and we're going to take a look and see where it was on January 7th of 2020. And right there, let's see what we've got. We've got a 0.004. It's less than 4/100. Look at that. It's less than half a penny. Dogecoin, less than half a penny. And for those who have already subscribed to this channel, you know that Doge probably is the one that just made a lot of people rich. Let's take 0.004, oh my goodness, and divide it into 0.22 cents. 0.22 divided by 0.004. You get 55 times. Oh my goodness. 55 times on your money for Doge, okay? For Doge. 55 times on your money. Okay? That's like 650. Oh my goodness. You know, I don't even know what the percentage is. You know, 100% on your money is 2 times. Okay? 200% on your money is 3 times. Okay? So what is that? I don't know, 400 and something percent. I don't know. We'd have to sit there and look at it. 55 times on your money. Let's go back and go to the next one. Runner up. We're going to minus the stable coins. We're not going to look at stable coins. We're going to go over briefly why. You can see they are set to stay around $1. So we're going to skip the US coin and go to Polkadot. Let's see what would have happened if you had bought Polkadot just 1 year ago. All right, let's hit our little trend line for 1 year. Same story, same story. Here we are. July, okay, we don't go back that far. Polkadot's relatively new. We'll go $2.76, $2.76, and here we are today, 16.78. 16.78 divided by $2.76. 6 times on your money for Polkadot. So put it down for dot. 6 times on your money. Let's go ahead and go right back and keep going. Let's take a look at Uniswap. Yes, sir. We're going to look at Uniswap. We're going to go ahead and look at the 1-year trend on Uniswap. Pull that up. Let's see where we were last year about this time. We go back to September. This one's relatively new. Okay. We got $3.02. Let's look at there. $22. $22 divided by, let's just call it $22 divided by, what was it again? Yes, sir. Let's see, what was it again? Oh my goodness. I'm going to come in here at about $3. Divided by $3. That's 7 times on your money. 7 times on your money for Uniswap. Can we get a hello? Can we get a hello? Come on now. Throw up the likes. Let's keep on going. Let's look at Binance Coin. We're almost there, guys. Gonna hit Solana will be the last one for this part 2 of making this point. Let's go ahead. Here we are. Binance USD. We're going to skip. It's more like a stable coin here. We're going to go ahead, and we're going to go to Solana and maybe Bitcoin Cash. Let's do Solana. Let's take a look. 1 year. Look at Solana. July 7th, it was 79 cents. You could have got it. It's almost round up to 80 cents. We'll call it 80 cents. It's $36 now. Oh, goodness. 36 divided by 0.8. 45 times on your money. 45 times on your money if you had caught Solana. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do one more. You know, people talking about folks getting rich, compound interest. Well, I'm talking about people getting rich over the course of 1 or 2 years. And mind you, this is just the beginning. Okay, this stuff is not even mainstream yet. It's not even really integrated, you know, into the infrastructure where you can see it every day at Walmart and at the malls and stuff. Okay, we haven't even got to full-blown adoption. Let's go ahead and pull the chart up. 1 year. Let's go 1 year. All right, there we are. So this is Bitcoin Cash. We can see right there it was $243. Where are we today? 510. 510 divided by $243 is still 2 times on your money for BCH. Look, the lowest you could have done with the top 10 cryptocurrencies that are not stable coins is 2 times on your money. Okay, if we just took any of these, BTC, Ethereum, Binance Coin, BNB, ADA, you know, Cardano, Ripple, XRP, Doge, Polkadot, Uniswap, Solana, or Bitcoin Cash, any one of those invested, we would have made at least 2 times on our money and as much as 55 times on our money if you'd had Doge. Or even, let's take a look at some of these Solana, 45 times on your money. And then something even more reasonable, 18 times on your money with BNB. Look, this is why crypto is the best game in town. I'm going to take you back to the beginning here so we can really talk about this. When you look at this chart, when you look at CoinGecko and you look at coinmarketcap.com or even crypto.com, any of these, and you're looking at the top 12, I would venture to say with what I have just shown you, we can expect similar things to happen in the next year. Worst case scenario, you double your money. What bank is going to do that for you? There's not one. I'm not aware of a single bank paying that kind of rate of return. This turns everything we've been taught upside down. Upside down. You could make a case that if you do not have your money in crypto, you're missing the boat. There are 10 examples here where you could have doubled your money without even trying, just knowing. And now we have empirical, data. Now, there's no guarantee that this is going to happen again. But there is one thing that is guaranteed, and that is that crypto has arrived. And people are looking at it and they're taking notice of it. And there are more and more avenues every single day for people to start buying these various cryptocurrencies as developers look to utilize it to solve real world problems, building the next generation of great software out there. So with that, I hope you've enjoyed part 2 of why crypto is the best game in town. Please throw up the likes, throw up the shares. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe. Check out our description area so you can see what we have. I think you might find it of value. With that, I'll catch you on the next one.